Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My today's video is quite special. This time I wanted to create a video on something that would be of huge help to everyone, and people can reap a lot of benefits from it without putting much effort. Hey, why don't I share something about that I'm already doing? And that's how I came up with the idea for this video. So in today's video, I'll talk about the amazing benefits of lemon and lime water. Trust me, lemon water does way more than simply making your skin healthy and hair strong. There are tons of other benefits you can get by adding lemon water into your daily routine. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. The first benefit of drinking lemon water is getting healthy and glowing skin. Lemons and limes are a powerhouse of vitamin C and many other antioxidants. Drinking lemon water will do wonders for your skin. It will flush toxins from your body, reduce acne breakout, and restore a wonderful glow on your face. Lemon is one of the top ingredients in many skincare products, and those products work really well for the people. Instead of buying those products to get healthy skin, you can simply make a drink and get more effective results. One more benefit that I'd like to add here is that lemon water is super helpful for anti-aging and reducing the signs of aging. People exposed to the sun for a longer duration often develop wrinkles and premature signs. So adding lemon water into routine can reverse the aging signs. Number 2, helps you stay hydrated. I know a lot of people who do not drink enough water. They will only reach for water when they are parched, and some people prefer drinking sodas and juices over water just because they taste better. Now, I don't even have to tell you the amount of sugar and other preservatives present in these beverages. If you're also the one who doesn't really like plain water, lemon water can be your best friend. Adding lemon and lime slices to your water bottle adds a citrusy and fresh flavor to your water, which I'm sure you'll really enjoy. It will make you drink more water while ingesting all the goodness of vitamin C and antioxidants. Your body will thank you for keeping it hydrated and replenishing the cells with ample nutrients and minerals. The third benefit of drinking water is it cleanses liver. Lemon water can make your liver stronger and healthier, and here's why. Lemon water cuts down fats in the liver, flushes the toxins, and improves its functions. It is also very beneficial for curing liver inflammation naturally. The compound in lemon called naringenin soothes inflammation and prevents it in the long run. Moving to the fourth benefit, which is prevents the formation of kidney stones. That's right, folks. Kidney stones are horrible, and I know it because a family member had them. It made the person uncomfortable and restless, and sometimes the pain would become intense and sharp while urinating. Now, drinking lemon water cannot remove those stones, but the regular consumption of lemon and lime water will keep the formation of stones at bay. And if you're wondering how this is possible, it is due to the presence of citric acid in the lemon. If a person has a minor stone in the kidney, doctors prescribe him medicine that contains citric acid, so that stone is reduced or dissolved before it becomes bigger and more complicated. So drink lemon water, keep your kidneys healthy, and rule out the chances of kidney stones. Up next, we have one of the most important benefits of lemon and lime water. Number 5, boost immunity. Vitamin C is like a magic pill for our body. It's good for skin, tissues, liver, and other organs. I'm sure that you're aware that taking vitamin C helps absorb more iron. Moreover, this vitamin speeds up the healing of our wounds. According to many researchers, doctors, and nutritionists, lemon is an excellent ingredient for boosting our immune system. Daily consumption of lemon water makes our body strong to fight bacterial infections and viruses. So if you're someone who easily catches a cold or fever from your colleagues, in that case, start consuming lemon water daily, and you'll be amazed to see the results. And while we're talking about colds, let me share a remedy that works really well for me. Whenever I get a common cold or a scratchy throat, I take 1 cup of warm water and add a teaspoon of honey and a half tablespoon of lemon. It really helps me with the congestion and relieves my throat. Benefit number 6 of lemon and lime water is that It aids in weight loss. Before I discuss how lemon water helps in weight loss, I want to clear a huge misconception here. When we say that the lemon aids in weight loss, people think of it as some magical ingredient that will melt away all their fat or shed unwanted pounds in a few days. That's not going to happen. Weight loss totally depends on your diet, lifestyle, and energy you use daily. So lemon and lime water won't make you slim overnight, but what it will do is keep you hydrated so that you don't get thirsty. Because most of the time, we mistake thirst for hunger and fill up our stomach even when we are not hungry. But when you're hydrated, you won't feel the need to eat anything. Another way lemon water helps in weight loss is that it balances blood sugar. This in return controls unwanted hunger pangs and cravings that we usually get during the day. Moving ahead to benefit number 7, which is surely going to surprise you. Number 7, prevents cancer. Okay, I've said prevents cancer and not cures cancer. Cancer is indeed one of the most fatal diseases, and it can make a person lose his life. But several studies have shown that regular consumption of lemon water removes all the harmful substances from our body and impedes the growth of cancer cells. Lemon water contains more than 70 nutrients that are powerful enough to fight cancer-causing agents. So, you should start adding lemon water into your routine and encourage your elderly family members to consume it. Because as we age, our immunity gets weaker and we are more prone to developing different diseases. So, suppose your parents and grandparents consume lemon water. In that case, it can boost their immunity and save them from developing different diseases. Moving on, now I'm going to talk about benefit number 8. It improves digestion. Drinking lemon and lime water is excellent for improving digestion. So if you have a problem feeling bloated or gassy after having your meals, lemon water is your savior. The citric acid and other antioxidants activate the digestive system, break down food, and speed up the digestion process. Again, as we grow older, our stomach produces less acid, so digesting foods takes longer. But drinking lemon water provides your body with enough citric acid to break down food and make it absorbed in the blood. Benefit number 9 of drinking lemon water and lime water is that it works as a laxative, which means it cures constipation. Number 9, constipation. Being constipated is one of the worst feelings in the world. You feel heavy and uncomfortable, and in severe cases, your appetite is affected, you cannot sleep properly, and you become drowsy. There are many factors for constipation like dehydration, less intake of fiber, and a sedentary lifestyle. But consuming lemon water every day can help you get rid of constipation once and all. The citric acid in the lemon juice will break down the hardened food in the intestines and make it easier to pass out from the body. You don't have to take over-the-counter medicines or laxative to treat constipation. Just squeeze a lemon in a glass of water and you'll never complain about constipation or bloating again. You can start your day by drinking a glass of lemon and lime water to regulate your blood sugar, suppress cravings, and activate your digestive system. If you cannot drink lemon water right after waking up, you can prepare a bottle and consume it throughout the day. And if you're feeling extra fancy, you can cut one lemon into slices and add them to the water bottle. You can also add a few slices of cucumber and ginger and keep the bottle in the refrigerator overnight. The water will absorb all the goodness of lemon, lime, cucumbers, and ginger. Filter the water and drink it throughout the day. It tastes really good and you'd want to drink more. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Do you know of some other health benefits of lemon and lime water that I didn't mention in my video? Please share it in the comments below. I would really love to hear from you. I'll see you next time with another amazing video. Till then, try to add lemon water into your routine and observe what changes you feel in your body. Goodbye.